All right, today we're going to be taking a really quick look at these LED garage lights. They're super easy to install. We're basically going to be screwing them into the outlet socket. This comes in a 2-pack. So the unit itself kind of looks like a flower. You can adjust all of the different panels in any direction you want, and that allows for really good adjustability in your garage. So if you have too much shade or shadow on one corner of your garage, you can easily adjust for that. These things are going to be super bright. I'm very excited to have more light here in my garage space. You can see how big of a light it really is when all the panels are folded out. Here's a quick look at what our current garage lighting situation looks like. We have these Cobb LED lights, and I believe they do 10,000 lumens. So these new ones claim to be 40,000. It should be a whole lot brighter in here. And here it is side by side with our other Cobb light, our old one over there. And it is a whole lot more brighter. It's like right below the light. You get more of a spotlight with this one, which is nice. And then if you want to adjust to fill out the space a little bit more in any direction, you can angle those panels. It's really nice and adjustable. They're about the same color temperature, which I like. So here's standing kind of right underneath the light. It is way brighter in here now. Definitely a lot more useful for my workspace here. Having all that extra light. Super handy, definitely at least twice as bright as the other lights we've had. Okay, so here they are, both installed. It's definitely a huge upgrade over those other LED ones we had. They also put off a lot less heat. I'm noticing that the other ones, when I put my hand up to them, I could like feel heat coming off of them. That's an indication that they weren't very efficient. These ones don't get very hot at all. You have to really like almost touch your finger to the panel to do that, which I don't recommend, by the way. So I think more efficient and also much brighter. Huge thumbs up, and thanks to the brand for sending these out for review. You're gonna have to excuse how dirty it is in here, but it totally feels like a new environment. It feels like a part of our house now, almost. In a garage space, usually things are feeling very dingy and dark. It feels like there's hardly any shadow in here anymore. It's more comfortable out here now with these lights. These are probably gonna motivate me to get this cleaned up.